Italy is not just a country, it's a living museum, a timeless story, and a dream destination for travelers from every corner of the world. From ancient ruins that whisper tales of empires, to colorful coastal villages clinging to cliffs, Italy offers beauty that feels almost unreal. Every city, every street, and every landscape holds centuries of history, culture, and romance. Rome is where history comes alive. Known as the Eternal City, Rome is a powerful blend of ancient ruins, vibrant street life, and timeless beauty. Walking through Rome feels like stepping back thousands of years, where every corner reveals a story. The Colosseum stands as a symbol of Roman engineering and gladiatorial history, while the Roman Forum showcases the heart of ancient political life. Vatican City, located within Rome, is home to St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel, displaying some of the greatest art ever created. Beyond its monuments, Rome charms visitors with its lively piazzas, cozy cafes, and unforgettable sunsets over the Tiber River. Venice is truly one of a kind. Built on water, this magical city is made up of canals, bridges, and narrow alleys that feel straight out of a fairy tale. There are no cars here, only boats, gondolas, and water taxis gliding through the canals. St. Mark's Square is the heart of Venice, surrounded by stunning architecture and historic landmarks. A gondola ride through the Grand Canal offers a unique perspective of the city's elegant palaces and historic buildings. Venice is romantic, mysterious, and unforgettable, a place where time seems to slow down. Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance and a city that celebrates art, culture, and beauty. It is home to some of the world's most famous masterpieces and architectural wonders. The Florence Cathedral, with its massive dome, dominates the skyline and showcases incredible craftsmanship. Art lovers can explore world-renowned galleries filled with works by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli. Florence is also known for its charming streets, traditional cuisine, and breathtaking views from the surrounding hills. The Amalfi Coast is one of the most scenic coastlines in the world. Dramatic cliffs, turquoise waters, and colorful villages make this region a true visual masterpiece. Towns like Positano and Amalfi are built into the cliffs, offering stunning ocean views from every angle. Winding coastal roads reveal postcard-perfect scenery at every turn. The Amalfi Coast is the perfect blend of natural beauty, relaxation, and Mediterranean charm. Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 colorful seaside villages along the Italian Riviera. These villages are perched on cliffs overlooking the sea, connected by hiking trails and scenic train routes. Each village has its own character, but all share vibrant houses, small harbors, and breathtaking views. The coastline here feels untouched and peaceful, making it a favorite for photographers and nature lovers. Cinque Terre is a place where simplicity meets beauty. Milan is Italy's fashion and financial capital, known for its modern energy and stylish atmosphere. It is a city where history and innovation exist side by side. The iconic Milan Cathedral is one of the largest churches in the world, featuring intricate details and stunning rooftop views. Milan is also home to Leonardo da Vinci's famous masterpiece, The Last Supper. Beyond art and history, Milan is a global center for fashion, design, and nightlife. Tuscany is the heart of Italy's countryside beauty. Rolling hills, vineyards, olive groves, and medieval towns create landscapes that feel like paintings. Small towns like Siena and San Gimignano offer cobblestone streets, historic towers, and authentic Italian charm. Tuscany is also famous for its wine, local cuisine, and warm hospitality. This region is perfect for travelers seeking peace, tradition, and natural beauty. Lake Como is a destination of elegance and tranquility. Surrounded by mountains and luxury villas, this lake is known for its calm waters and stunning scenery. Picturesque towns line the lake, offering boat rides, scenic walks, and breathtaking views. The atmosphere here is peaceful yet sophisticated, attracting travelers from around the world. Lake Como is a perfect escape into nature and luxury. Sicily is Italy's largest island and a land of rich history and diverse landscapes. Ancient ruins, volcanic mountains, and beautiful beaches all coexist here. Mount Etna, one of the most active volcanoes in the world, dominates the island's landscape. Sicily's cities showcase influences from Greek, Roman, and Arab civilizations. The island's culture, food, and traditions make it one of Italy's most unique destinations. Italy is a country that touches the soul. From historic cities and artistic treasures to breathtaking coastlines and peaceful countryside, every part of Italy tells a story worth experiencing. No matter where you go, Italy offers unforgettable memories, timeless beauty, and moments that stay with you forever. If this journey inspired you, imagine what it feels like to experience it in real life.